Oh yeah. Do you
Well,
have
we still have to talk about it as a family.
Okay.
So, I think that's it for now.
Okay, that's good. It's good.
Okay.
Let's keep it like that.
Kitty, nababasa kaya ni Tata yung mga sulat ng mga Filipino around the world?
Yes, we sent him all the letters. We packed them and then we sent it to the facility.
Okay.
Thank you for reading my letter sa imong birthday.
Yes,
also.
of course. Thank you
I really
so much.
appreciate it.
Let me know ha.
Okay.
Kay, syempre laagan man ko. So, if you wanna, in the Philippines, let me know.
Thank
I
you,
know all the
Ayo.
good spots.
My sister is studying in ADU, so yeah,
Oh,
most
okay.
likely.
I hope to meet her.
Yeah, one day.
You send me her name.
Yes, Evan. Thank you, ha. I appreciate you a lot.
Because all of my mga barkada, ako kasi, yung mga friends ko, I have friends but mostly acquaintances. So yung mga barkada ko talaga is childhood friends. All of them are from ADU, so they might know her.
Yeah, okay. She studies psychology.
Tite,
Thank you, Kay Kitty.
Yeah,
Dami
send
nanonood
me
sa iba.
to be with you.
Thank you, ha.
Thank you.
Exciting.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kitty.